Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is May 28th, 2021, and my Audray white Gomphrena seedling started blooming. And so far from what I'm seeing, beautiful, beautiful white blooms on them. And I'm going to be getting these transplanted today. So we're just going to get these transplanted here today. I'm going to be putting them in a 10-inch container. And I'm going to be putting 3 to a container. See the root systems on here? I rough the root systems up so that they don't keep growing in that kind of square motion. They go out into the soil. Now I'm using the Miracle-Gro all-purpose potting mix, and that's just the mix that I use for my planters and different things. I have a few. Let me get those out of there. The root system's up. Now this is the first year I grew the Audray white Gomphrena, and I really like the blooms on it. So I'm really looking forward to seeing how it grows outside, because I had it in the greenhouse. So I do have videos on my channel from when I started this from seed. I wound up with a few weeds in my container here from having the container filled with the soil. I wound up with some weeds in it. So I'm going to get these here watered then. And I like to keep my Gomphrena moist. But I don't want my soil to be soggy. I just want it to be moist. And I am going to be feeding this one time a week with a 15-30-15 bloom boost, and that's going to help keep them blooming. So as these continue to grow, I'm going to come back with more videos. I'm going to show them to you. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that tells you I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!